thousands like the dollar signs, even if the numbers haven't caught up yet to mine. I got a coffee I can barely afford, but I sip it slow like I'm keeping score of every moment I decide I'm free, before the world agrees with me.